kids. Today's story is The Merchant and His Lazy Donkey. In a small town, there lived a salt merchant named James. He had a donkey named Dookey, who was lazy and cunning, always seeking shortcuts in his work. Once, during their trip to the city, Dookey accidentally fell into a river with bags of salt on his back. He discovered that the salt dissolved, making his load lighter. Delighted, he planned to fall into the river next time they went to the city. However, James, his master, was a clever merchant. He knew Dookey was cunning and would try to fall into the river to make the load lighter. So, on their next trip to the town, James replaced the salt with cotton. When Dookey plunged into the river, the cotton soaked up water and became heavy. Struggling with the heavy load, Dookey realized his mistake. He learned that looking for easy ways is not always effective. He realized his mistake and worked hard. Dookey became a very hard-working donkey and was liked by all in the town. Moral of the story: taking shortcuts doesn't always work. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Bye bye.